I think you will often find that they don't appreciate quite the advantages that they'll get from a good technology stack within your administrator. It comes over time rather than initially, and what you do find, because our technology is constantly evolving, we're always introducing new products, new innovations, taking it in new directions and giving new add-ons. You don't get that in the average administrator. We do a lot more of that. We're also always at the most recent release of our systems.
That's a good point,
Because we're taking advantage of all of the automation and all of the things that we can. And as the manager grows, their requirements will change. They will need other elements to the system. Maybe an investor portal isn't required to begin with to communicate with investors. Over time, it becomes essential. Do you know what, guys? We've got it. You don't need to take it from day one, but it's there if we need to. All of those things, because we are technology focused.
Yeah, I think you're right about the sort of expectations that come with getting bigger. You mentioned earlier about maybe not having a cornerstone investor at the start, but if you have one at the end, the Fund 3, Fund 4, there's a good chance that they're going to say, well, we expect us to be able to onboard, through a portal.
And sophisticated LPs sometimes reach out to us and actually send us their questionnaires and really dig deep into that topic. Another really crucial element is obviously data security. I think the holy grail of investor data. We want to make sure that is really nicely ring fenced and not subject to data breaches, leaks, and so on.